In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a DocuSign document to multiple signers in 2024. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to streamline your document signing process, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to manage electronic signatures efficiently, saving you valuable time and effort. First, let's begin by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management capabilities, making it a trusted choice for businesses and individuals alike. Once you are on the homepage, you'll see the login button clearly displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. After you've successfully logged in with your credentials, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. This is your command center for managing all your documents, signatures, and more. In the top menu, you'll spot the Start button. This is where you initiate the process of sending documents for signing, so give that a click. Now that you're in the document preparation area, it's time to start adding recipients to your document. Look for the option that says Add Recipient. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify exactly who needs to sign the document. Click on Add Recipient and a form will appear for you to enter the first signer's details, such as their name and email address. It's important to ensure that the email addresses are correctly inputted, as this is how your signers will receive and interact with the document. Once you have added the first recipient, repeat the process for any additional signers. Simply click Add Recipient again for each new person. You'll notice that DocuSign allows you to set the signing order, which is particularly handy if the document needs to be signed in sequence. Take advantage of this feature to ensure each signer receives the document in the order you intend. After all your recipients are added, you'll be ready to prepare the document for sending. Double check that all recipient details are correct and make any necessary adjustments. This step ensures that the entire signing process goes smoothly and efficiently. Finally, have a quick glance through your document to ensure everything looks great, and you're all set to hit send. Your recipients will receive an email inviting them to sign the document, and you'll be notified as soon as each of them has completed their part. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to sending DocuSign documents to multiple signers. By following these steps, you're leveraging the power of DocuSign to keep your document workflows smart, efficient, and hassle-free. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your document signing with ease.